Welcome back. Job boards in India are losing out to professional networking websites for not being able to provide quality employees, says the head of a leading social networking website. Speaking exclusively to HCN, founder, managing director and CEO of a leading networking site apnacircle.com, Yogesh Bansal said companies need quality employees and job boards in India fail to meet expectations. Bansal said professional networking sites that are growing at a rapid rate have outdone job boards by conceptualizing innovative means to get quality employees for companies.
ApnaCircle is a professional and career networking site. It's meant for people who wants to brand themselves because nowadays there's a lot of competition in this industry, like any professionals. So you need to tell that what you're doing on a day, like what's happening, you're doing a project and all this. So you need a platform you can brand yourself. So you need to do that. That's one thing. Second thing, it helps you to find jobs. It helps you to find businesses. It helps to find colleagues and freelancing work. So that is the objective of this professional networking site. With great pride I can say that we are number 2 in the world. We got globally 30 million users and India 1.6 million users. And we have merged with 2 companies we merged and then we acquired a company. It's Vibio.com, TNG in China, TNG we number 1 in China, and then we acquired a company called Unique.com.
Bansal said ApnaCircle, which he founded in 2006, had grown splendidly and now has around 30 million users around the world and 1.6 million users in India.
I'm looking for a job. I'm looking for a person who can help me with this stuff. So it's meant for. Now the business is evolving. So they are looking at innovative ideas where they can find quality people. And that's the biggest problem of job boards they don't find quality people. They find quantity. They get 10,000 job resumes and it's a very tedious job to go through those 10,000 resumes.
Bansal asserted that the professional networking website had inbuilt technology that could check spamming and other activities of the users, suspicious if any.
If somebody is saying that he is from India or he is from Europe and he is coming from Africa, so we have IP locations where we check. We have some screening level. We have algorithm built in our website which checks what kind of activity a user is doing. If the activity is doing some nuisance, sending a lot of emails, spamming, sending fake stuff like banking stuff, send me your bank information or things like that, we have an algorithm built in which automatically shuts them down. And also, we also have the network people. If somebody is doing that, they can report as abuse. So immediately a person does that, we come to know and we shut them down. So we have some inbuilt process which takes care of it.
APRI 2010, the 3rd edition of the Interactive Marketing Seminar, has begun in Goa. The 3-day-long seminar is an interactive seminar for professionals and students from fields of advertising, public relations, events and entertainment. Eminent personalities will deliver lectures on their related fields in this 3 days.
We got people from different fields. This year also we've got people from advertising sector. Mr. Manav Gaur who wanted to talk about direct marketing. Then ApnaCircle also is associated with this event for the same reasons. Mr. Harish Bijul, very well-known consultant, would be talking about the same. I'll be able to share with you things that they would be talking about maybe post this conference.
Noted Bollywood actor Sanjay Suri will be one of the speakers at APRI 2010. Suri said the interactive seminar helps professionals to share ideas, get more knowledge and build networks.
APRI is offline networking, which is right now what you will see in the next 3 days. People will interact, where you'll have a face, where you'll have a touch. Social media still does not give you the touch, but here when you shake hands, it will give you the touch. I know you now, I'm talking to you, tomorrow you'll connect with me on social media, I know whom I'm speaking with. So offline networking and opportunities are for real. The virtual world, you have to discount a lot, maybe your success ratio is 2% or 10%. In our case, just to give you an example, to identify 400 people, we went through more than 5,000 emails. The filtration process was a lot, so you can say our success ratio was 8%. So, but that we could do sitting at our office with 2 laptops and a lot of hours. Yes, it takes a lot of hours because you, like you said, security.